Today we are in Forge Nicromo, where Vecchiato company supplied a press, hydraulic press of 3000 tons of nominal force and 3500 tons of maximum upsetting force. This press, being that it's a ring blanking press, is equipped with a specific system. Arms for moving the pins, centering system and punching lateral unit. As well as we are supplying here in Forge Nicromo also the hydraulic system, automation system and electrical system. The winning factors on this press that Vecchiato supply in Forge Nicromo are the following. First of all, as already more than 10 years, hydraulic system is equipment with the patented solution for energy saving. This can allow us to supply a press with less of 30% of electrical installed power with really a compact solution and layout. Another winning factor is the lateral punching unit. Being that is lateral, all the loads and stress during the punching process are discharged on the fixed crossbeam. So we are not overload the movable crossbeam, and so we are reducing the wearing of the sliding components installed on the movable crossbeam. Another important aspect is the columns, that as our standard we supply a pre-stressed columns, and also the external surface of these columns are square. This will reduce again the maintenance time and will implement the control and the easily adjustment of the working gaps of the sliding plates installed on the cross beam. Another important aspect is the possibility to record and grab all the single working parameter during the entire forging process. This will help customer to have really a full control of the forging process in terms of quality. Vecchiato Officine Meccaniche is an owned family company founded in 1977. Actually, we have more than 30 years of experience in open die forging sectors. We have great expertise in design, manufacturing and supply of hydraulic presses up to 10,000 tons of capacity, rail and mobile manipulators up to 50 tons of capacity, and also auxiliary equipment like a charging machine, straightening machine, as well as we can supply electrical system, automation and hydraulic system. The winning factors of Vecchiato company are the following. First of all, we have customized solution for any needs of customer. Then we can supply integrated forging plants under one single point of responsibility, and we are inside of the few worldwide companies that can do this. We have a patented solution for energy savings for hydraulics, and we have the capabilities also to record and grab all the working steps, all the working parameters in order to allow customer to control in terms of quality all the entire process of the forging.